Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss the sample cue card. Describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in a primary school. So the cue card is: describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school. You have to cover the following cues: who he or she was, how did you know him or her, why he or she impressed you the most, and how do you feel about him or her. Now we will look at the sample answer for this cue card. Let's begin. Many people, like parents, siblings, and teachers, influence young children in their developing years, which has a long-lasting impact on their personalities. Here, I would like to talk about a person who impressed me the most while I was in primary school. The name of this person was Mrs. Smith, who was the math teacher of our class. She used to teach math to me in the 5th class. The reason why she impressed me more than anyone else is that she helped me to improve my mathematical skills as well as my personality. Even though math was the most difficult subject, she made it quite easy to understand for my classmates and me. Her way of explaining important factors was quite impressive, which helped us to acquire them quickly. Apart from this, she used to give extra intentions to weak students, so they could also learn quickly and could clear their exams. However, she was very strict regarding studies and discipline. She never allowed pupils to come late in the class. So, this taught me punctuality. Due to her contribution and teaching style, I started taking interest in math and eventually achieved good marks in the math exam. I personally like to attend the activities that she used to organize to improve students' math skills, which were quite amazing and full of fun. She is still in my contacts, so we generally communicate over the phone or meet in person. So she is the special person who impressed me more than anyone else during my primary school. So this was the cue card. Now we will look at follow-ups for this cue card. The first one is: why do people always miss their childhood? I believe individuals miss their childhood days because they have wonderful memories of that time. They still recall those days when they used to take part in fun activities with their friends throughout the day, without worrying about anything. But in their adulthood, they have to shoulder many responsibilities. Next question is: are kids happier than adults? Why? Of course, children are happier than adults. This is due to the fact that they don't have to take care of anything, as their father and mother are always present to do so. However, at a later age, they have a lot of tensions related to their personal and professional lives, so they remain under pressure. Next question is: why do people still remember many of their friends from primary school? As far as I'm concerned, people remember their classmates from primary schools because they have spent a significant amount of time with them. At that time, they used to do several fun activities with them at school and at home, as they have a lot of free time. But when they become mature, they and their friends don't have free time to meet each other. Therefore, they miss those childhood days. Next question is, what kinds of primary school teachers impress students? I would say primary school teachers who have a thorough knowledge of their subjects and have patience can put a long-lasting impression on pupils. This is because young children are not mature enough to share their learning difficulties with their teachers. So, teachers should be able to evaluate such issues and should guide them accordingly. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.